All right, welcome everyone to the JAMB Physics Masterclass. Look, this session is all about one thing, getting you totally ready for that exam. We are jumping straight into real official JAMB questions to get you into top fighting shape. And let's be very clear, forget those long, boring lectures. This is strictly exam drill mode. No long theory, no topic breakdowns. We are only solving real past questions, the kind you'll see on your CBT screen, so you can build that speed and that accuracy you need to win. Okay, listen up because this is the most important rule of the day. For every single question, before I break it down, you must pause and try it yourself. Seriously, that's how you build the mental muscle for a high score. It is non-negotiable. All right, let's get down to business. In this first section, we're going to break down some of JAMB's favorite questions. We're going to see how they think so we can beat them at their own game, understand their patterns, see their traps, and learn how to walk right past them to grab those marks. Okay, here we go. Question from JAMB 1999. Two bodies have masses in the ratio 3:1. You can read the rest. You know the rule. Pause this session right now and solve it. Go. So, what is JAMB really trying to do with this question? Look, they are not just asking if you memorized F equals ma. No. They are testing if you can apply that law to a problem with ratios. It's a test of logic, not just memory. Okay, let's break this down. It's actually much simpler than it looks. You know the formula. F equals ma. Force equals mass times acceleration. So, all we have to do is multiply the ratios. For the first body, it's mass ratio 3 times acceleration ratio 2. That's 6. For the second body, it's mass ratio 1 times acceleration ratio 9. That's 9. So our new ratio is 6:9. Just simplify that, divide both by 3, and you get 2:3. Boom, option C. The trap JAMB set here is hoping you'll add or mix up the ratios. Never, ever fall for that. And here's the speed hack for you. Anytime JAMB gives you two ratios and asks for a third, your brain should immediately think multiplication or division. Just look at the formula and apply it directly to the ratios. Trust me, this is a classic JAMB pattern they love to repeat. Okay, on to the next one. This is a circular motion problem, and you know JAMB loves circular motion. A particle of mass 10 to the power of -2 kilograms is fixed to the tip of a fan blade. Read the whole thing carefully. All right, you know what to do. Pause now and give it a shot. So, what's the game here? What's the trap JAMB is setting? It's not just about knowing the centripetal force formula. It's about paying attention to detail. They want to see if you can handle that little bit of scientific notation for the mass without messing up. It's an attention test. Let's walk through it. The formula is F equals m omega squared r. Simple enough. First, omega squared. 10 squared is 1000. Easy. Now, here's where people get caught. The mass, m, is 10 to the power of -2. That's 0.01 kilograms. So many people will just rush and see the 10 and use that. Big mistake. So now we multiply. 0.01 times 1000 times 0.2, and that gives you 20 newtons. Option B is our answer. See? A simple calculation made tricky by one tiny detail. So what's the speed hack? It's simple. Scan for superscripts. Before your pen even hits the paper to calculate, just take half a second to look for any powers, any exponents, any scientific notation. JAMB loves to use these to catch you if you're rushing. That tiny check can save you a whole question. Okay, hope you're warmed up because we're about to shift gears. Welcome to the Rapid Fire Challenge. You get 5 seconds on the clock for each question. The goal here is speed. Think fast but eliminate faster. Are you ready? Let's do this. Question 1. The inner diameter of a test tube can be accurately measured using your 5 seconds starts now. And time. The answer is D, vernier calipers. Why? The key word is inner diameter. Only the vernier calipers have those little inside jaws to do that job. The second you see inner diameter, your mind should instantly go to vernier calipers. That's free marks, guys, free marks. Let's go. Next one. Question 10. When the temperature of a liquid increases, its surface tension, what happens? 5 seconds. Go. And time. The answer is A. It decreases. Think about it. When you heat a liquid, the molecules start moving around more, right? That weakens the forces holding them together, the cohesion. Weaker cohesion means lower surface tension. It's a basic concept, and trust me, JAMB loves to repeat this one. Excellent work on that round. Now, let's pull back for a minute and talk about the bigger picture, your game plan. Look, knowing the physics is only half the battle. Having a rock-solid strategy for exam day, that's what turns a good score into a great one. This is the winning strategy, so listen closely. First, your objective strategy. For every single question, your first move is to find and eliminate 2 options that are just plain wrong. Instantly, you've doubled your chance of getting it right. And please watch out for words like not or except. Stick to the simple textbook definitions. Don't go and overthink it. Second, time management. You have about 1 minute per question. If you are staring at a question for more than 45 seconds and you are stuck, skip it. Move on. Come back later if you have time. Don't let one hard question ruin your whole exam. And finally, your mental game. Stay calm. You've done the work. You are prepared. Trust yourself and trust your logic. So there you have it. You have the knowledge. You now have the strategy. We've looked at how JAMB thinks. We've practiced their patterns. And you now know the traps to watch out for. Believe me, you are ready for this. If you found this masterclass helpful, please like this video, share it with your friends preparing for JAMB Physics, and subscribe to our YouTube channel right now so you don't miss the next masterclass session. Also, visit www.examkp.com for thousands of JAMB Physics practice questions and answers. Let's smash this exam together.